Let's talk numbers. How much do you actually need to launch your Amazon business? The answer depends on your selling model, product choice, and strategy. Private label usually requires more upfront investment. Retail or online arbitrage can be started with less money. For FBA, you'll pay for product manufacturing, shipping to Amazon, storage fees, and initial advertising. This can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. With FBM, you'll skip Amazon's storage fees, but you'll need to cover packaging, shipping, and your own inventory space. Here's an example. Selling 200 units at $5 each costs $1,000. Add $300 for shipping and $200 for ads, and you're starting around $1,500. You don't need $10,000 to begin. Many sellers start small, then reinvest profits to scale their business. Now that you know the budget, let's set up your Amazon seller account step by step in the next video.